Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me. This is Gio, and I'm here to show you the job application tracker that I created in my developer org in Salesforce. And everything you are gonna see here is just basic out-of-the-box Salesforce functionality. I didn't add custom objects. I just modified a little bit the standard objects that come with Salesforce. I added a lot of fields that I need it for my job application tracker. And let's see here. So we have the job opportunities. This is just a standard opportunity object that I renamed. You can rename it in the setup. I think it's called rename tabs and labels, something like that. Also, we have the organizations. This is the accounts object that I also renamed. Here, this is a list view that I created for me to just see the important stuff that I want to see on the go. We have the opportunity name, which is the name of the job that I applied to. We have the organization name. We have the stage of the interview process, the yearly salary, and the job URL. And now let me show you in more details. So let's check this one out. Salesforce Administrator for NASA. This is not a real a real job, but I would love it to be so. So let's see. Here we have an opportunity path that I created. You can customize this in the setup as well. You just type path settings, and then you click on new path, and you can customize it for your opportunity object. And I went for application submitted and screen call, first round interview, second round interview, third round interview, and closed. And here you can either choose closed, lost, or job offer. I also wanted to add some help text for me and just some little tips to guide me along the way. So here, as you can see, practice your elevator pitch, very important. For the first round interview, I wanted to add some confetti because I think it really deserves it. And also, what you can see here at the top, this is conditional highlighting that you can add in the page layout. So if you go here, you go to edit page and it'll take you here. Yep. And if we click this here, this is just some rich text. So the way to add it, you type in here on the left, rich text, and you just drag and drop. Then I just added this text, some color, and for the filter, I added this filter. So whenever this checkbox is unchecked, that message will pop out. And the way to cancel it, you just check that checkbox and it'll disappear, right? It's just some little reminder for me to reach out to the hiring team so that you can show your interest in the job. I think it makes a really big difference when you're applying to jobs. And here also, I deleted all the actions that I didn't need for the job application tracker. So I just kept a new job opportunity, new contact, and new lead. Down here, I added some fields. I added the primary contact here. Normally, I think that's the person that you reach out to when you apply to the job. I added the job URL for the job seen here, the company website, days since the application was submitted. This is important for an automation that I created in Flows that I'll show you in a bit. Here also we have the name of the hiring manager. This is a lookup field to a contact to the contact object. So you can choose whoever your contact is for this job application. Also here I added the socials of the hiring manager and the recruiter. Down here I wanted to add another section. So this is just the details and this is the job information Here's just, the job description. I copied it from another job that I looked at. The yearly salary, some data for me to see, job location type, and you can change it down here, fully remote, hybrid, in person, where you find these jobs, the referral, all of the job socials. And this is all, Salesforce out of the box functionality. You don't need to add a lot of stuff, just some fields and play around with the page layout. The next thing I want to show you guys is the automation that I created with flows. So whenever the application goes by for 7 days, let's say that I applied for this position 7 days ago, this will fill out. So this is a formula field that I created. Let's see. Yeah, there it is. And it's just a date field for today minus the date of the application. And what this does is that it sends me an email to remind me to reach out to the hiring team. Let's check my email. There we go. And there we have, just some basic stuff, to remind me, here's the name of the position that I applied to, the company, how many days have gone by. And this is, if I get this email on my phone, I just get the name of the recruiter or the hiring manager that I added and the socials. So that's really important for me to, maybe if I have time during my day, just reach out through the phone. And now let's look at the backend and see how this automation looks like. Right. So it is record trigger flow. So whenever this day since application submitted field equals 7, it'll automatically send an email reminder. So this is an action. Let's see the element. And I added in the body an email template, the subject, the email. So whenever you're adding rich text through your email, you need to check this one out. Let's see how the email template looks like. And here, all that good stuff that you saw in the email. Now, the other thing that I wanted to show you guys, I also added in the lead subject web to lead form. This is all web to lead applications that I have on my form in my portfolio. And whenever someone fills that form in my portfolio, it just automatically is sent out to my developer org here. And let me show you how it looks. So here we have my portfolio website. And if we go to the guest book, this is the web to lead form that I added. And I can link the HTML code for the web to lead, so you can change it and add it to your job tracking application if you're planning to do one for yourself. And let's test it out. So let's say that Carlos Santana wants to fill out my web to lead form. And here I'll just add my email address so you guys can see that there's a little automation too that sends them a thank you note for filling out my form. There we go. Then we click submit. A little thank you also, and let's look at the lead object. So let's check today's leads. Boom, there we go, Carlos Santana. That's the job application tracker. I think that covers everything, at least everything that I wanted to show you. Oh, let's look at the thank you email here. Almost forgot. So yeah, there we go. Hi, Carlos. I appreciate you taking the time to sign my guest book, and hope it's Friday on your time zone. Should have been an in. And then here I added a little GIF. I guess it didn't load. But yeah, that's the job tracking application. I hope you guys liked it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Let me know if you think that I should have added something more, or if you need any tips in creating your job tracking application. Let me know in the comments, or also add me on my LinkedIn and reach out to me as well, and let's connect. Thank you so much for your time.